Have you ever found yourself explaining yours again and again and again? Why you did what you did, why you said what you said, and what you actually meant. And still, they don't get it. So you explain a little more, you give more examples, more reasons, more context, because somewhere inside you is thinking, if I can just make them understand, they will see me differently. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Sometimes people are not confused about you. They have already decided on you. और जब किसी ने आपके बारे में ओपिनियन बना लिया है, तो आप जितना भी एक्सप्लेन करते जाते हैं, उतना ही आप खुद को प्रूव करने में लगे रहते हैं. And there is a very fine line between understood and trying to be approved. Maybe someone thinks you have changed because you stop being available all the time. Maybe someone thinks you are arrogant because you become quieter. Maybe someone thinks you don't care because you stopped chasing. And you feel this urge to say, listen, this is not who I am. Please understand my side. You don't know what I have been gone through. Just ask yourself, why are you trying to correct your picture to someone? आपको हर किसी के माइंड में अपनी इमेज क्लीन करने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. Because people always don't see you as who you are. They see you through their own experiences, insecurities, and expectations. And sometimes their own stories about it. And no explanation can compete with the story someone has determined for you. Think about it. If someone genuinely wants to understand you, you don't have to prepare a courtroom defense for them. They will ask, they will listen, they will leave the room with your perspective. लेकिन अगर सामने वाला सिर्फ आपको अपनी जजमेंट प्रूव करना ही चाहता है, तो आपकी एक्सप्लेनेशन उसके लिए पीस ऑफ एविडेंस ही बन जाएगी. Especially as we grow older, something changes. At 25, you may want everyone to like you. At 35, you may want everyone to understand you. But somewhere along the way, when you grow older, you don't need everybody's approval. You don't want anybody to understand you. You want to be at peace with yourself. और शायद मेच्योरिटी का एक ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट यही है कि आप हर किसी की प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने नहीं भागते, हर ओपिनियन को कनेक्ट नहीं करते, हर एक्यूजेशन का जवाब नहीं देते. और अगर अगली बार आपका मन करे एक लंबा पैराग्राफ लिखकर अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करने का किसी को, और वो जो डेस्परेट अटेम्प्ट टू फाइनली मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट नो आई अंडरस्टैंड यू, जस्ट पॉज एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, डू दे एक्चुअली वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, or do I just want to be understood by them? Because sometimes most powerful explanation is not another explanation. It is simply the way you continue to live quietly, honestly, without performing and without proving, and without constantly asking the world for the permission to be who you are. You don't have to convince everyone about yourself. The people who truly know you will see it, and the people who have already decided, let them keep the version of them. You have life to live beyond them. Stop explaining to the people who have already decided on you. You don't have to keep knocking on the door that was never open to your truth. Come back to yourself. Come back to your peace. Come back to your own journey. Because sometimes real journey within begins when you stop trying to be understood outside. This is journey within. And remember, you don't have to prove who you are. Just keep becoming who truly you are. I'll see you with another thought next week. Journey Within with Preeti.